Just got a box in from Jenson USA full of bike parts, so let's see what we have in here. And let's see how they did. They gave me a, I guess I'll have to edit out that code because I don't want to give anybody my 15% off coupon, but the journey is worth it. 15% off, probably doesn't include anything on sale. Some new bike that is only $2,600. So some info they probably throw in with everything. Open her up. See, we got some air baggies. Some of them are popped. And that's pretty cool. In a bag instead of the box. It's much cheaper packaging. And these are small tubes. And I got 3 of these tubes. Duro bicycle tubes. Tell you what they are. 26 by 1 to 1.5. These are for my cross tires that I run on my mountain bike for the classic tour races that are a lot of dirt roads and are usually filled with cyclocross bikes, but I don't have a cyclocross bike, so next best thing is a 26-inch cyclocross tire with the tube that fits, but not really easy to find in a local bike shop since it's not a normal size. Let's see, for Melissa, some cool socks. She will probably like that. And then my favorite type of grips, foam grips, but these are Pro, which is the Shimano group, so they are actually a Shimano made product, and they're silicone foam, so they might last a little bit longer than the old foamies that are pretty much for only one tour. They are a little heavier than the normal cheapo foam at 85 grams. Silicone foam grip for mountain bike or trekking. And 85 grams a set, so they're light, but not as light as you could possibly get with grip tape or the old style foam. And here's what I needed to go 2x11, which I'm converting to 2x11, and this is a SLX shifter, and it's only for the front. This will help me for my shifting duties. I already have the bike on a 1x11, but my gearing is, I run out at low and top range. Upgrading it with some new shifters. Something that says Dior XT Shimano. If I can remember what I got here. Ah, yes. This is a Dior XT front derailleur for 2x11. Got the SLX shifter because the front shifter isn't all that complicated. Front derailleur with a bunch of shims, instructions, all that stuff. Very cool. We also have a brand new chain to go with that, an 11-speed chain. And here we have a big box that says Shimano on it. Front chain wheel. It's just a Dior, but I mean, my bottom bracket died, so we're getting a whole new crank. There we go. That is the Dior crank. It's not quite XT, but the price was worth it. and new bottom bracket. So my old one, I'm not good at this Tetris game.
No.
This Dior crankset cost less than actually just replacing the bottom bracket. I'm going to be pulling the bottom bracket out. I didn't really have all the tools for that on hand. I think I loaned them all away a long time ago, and people never bring back tools. So, had to pick that up. So this is the bicycle toolkit I picked up so that I could get the whole tools. It was a really good price for all the tools, and equivalent of buying about only 2 of the tools in it. That is all the pickups from Jenson, and hopefully we can get to getting the bike ready for the P2A, or the Paris to Ancaster bike race.